Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. Today we will see how to draw an S-shaped infographic. So this is a 3-numbered and text infographic in the shape of an S. You can indicate progress or process through this infographic. Let's see how to draw it. Under the Insert tab, go to Shapes and choose the rounded rectangle. Draw the rounded rectangle without pressing the Shift key. Make sure you give it good height and remove the shape outline. Drag the yellow mark to give it complete rounded edges. Right-click, go to Format Shape and increase the transparency. Adjust the shape or align it to the center of the slide and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Duplicate the figure 3 times and now you extend the length of the third one just as is shown. Now you adjust the bigger rectangle on the top and the lower rectangle on the bottom. We know that both of them of the same height because we have drawn them that way. Select both the shapes, go to Format, Merge Shapes and click on Fragment. Now delete all the unnecessary parts and fragments that have been generated. Choose the fragment and adjust it on top of the first rectangle. Under Merge Shapes, union the two together and now you have got one of the S. Duplicate this and first rotate it to flip vertically, then again rotate it to flip horizontally. Now you have got the last part of the S. Now align both of them in the center. Select one rectangle first, align it to the center. Select second rectangle and then align it to the center. Now choose the bottom rectangle and duplicate it. And now rotate it to flip horizontally. Adjust it so that its outer edge is in a line with the top rectangle. Now choose the top rectangle, duplicate it and rotate it to flip horizontally. Adjust this rectangle on the middle rectangle like this way, and now make sure that it is on the outer edge of the lower rectangle. You adjust the length of all rectangles so they align together and are of the same lengths. Select both the middle rectangles. Under Merge Shapes, click on Fragment. Now delete these two small fragments which are unnecessary and union the remaining 3. Under Merge Shapes, click on Union. So now you see you have got your basic S-shaped infographic. Right-click, go to Format Shape. Apply color to the top infographic. Under Shape Effects, I am giving it a downward shadow. I am going to increase the distance and the blur. Maybe slight adjustments in the transparency will also help, and I am happy with this. Now I'm going to select this, go to Home, click on Format Painter and then apply my effect to the next rectangle. Again do the same with the third. Now I simply have to color the second and third rectangle. So I choose grey color for it, and for the last one I choose white color. So you see my basic figure is ready. All I have to do now is copy and paste the font which I have kept ready. However, first I'll select all of them, group them together and bring them to the center of the slide. Now I will paste my font and I will align it onto my rectangles. As you can see, the font and the infographic are slightly misaligned. So I will drag them to the properly aligned positions. Now I will increase or give some space between the number and the font to separate them out a little. Okay, so now my infographic is ready. I'm happy with this. Do try this infographic. It's a very easy one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Thank you. And don't forget to press the bell icon.